Hello internet world and welcome to a new video on the Geekanoids channel. If you watch my videos regularly, you'll know I'm really into my smart home technology and home security, and Ring very kindly sent me out their Spotlight Cam, the battery version. This is an outdoor security camera with a spotlight built into it. They also very kindly included their Ring solar panel. This is for the Spotlight Cam and will sort of trickle charge the battery inside the camera, so you don't have to worry about taking it down off the wall to recharge or removing the battery to recharge the battery. So let's get this unboxed. This is after all an unboxing and first look. Let's just cut through this tape. If you're wanting to see my full review of this, then please do regularly check the video description area. Down in the video description, you'll find a link to the Ring website where you can pick this up for yourself. There's also a link down there to the full review when that's online as well. There's also links to where you can buy this. So if you want to pick up this kit, then please do. Before I show you what's inside the box, this has got an adjustable mounting bracket and a weather resistant design. So really interested to see what's in here first, and then of course I'll unbox the Spotlight Cam. Wow, that's really neat. So this is a solar panel. In fact, this is my first ever solar panel unboxing on the channel. Very, very cool. So a nice white colour to match the camera. Captive cable in here as well. This is going to run through to the actual Spotlight Cam itself. So very, very nice. And then additionally, inside the box with the solar panel, we get a screwdriver. We get a drill bit. Love it. I absolutely love it when you get things like this, because you just get everything you need inside the box. Also get some information about installation, and we also get the screws and the wall plugs. They really have thought of everything in this box, and then we get the mounting bracket itself. So everything we need to get up and running with the solar panel. And I tell you this, with existing cameras, I'm really looking forwards to actually having a solar panel so that I can keep this actually running full time. So we'll put that to one side and have a look at the actual Spotlight Cam. This is the battery version. I believe they also do a mains powered version as well. So this is a little story from the inventor. Very, very nice, little personal touch here. And then round on the back, we've got some of the main features. So we've got a configurable motion detection, infrared night vision, lifetime purchase protection, 110 dB security siren, motion activated LED spotlights, Wi-Fi connected 1080p video, two-way talk, weather resistant, and a quick release battery pack. Very, very cool. Let's get this unboxed. I don't think I need a knife or scissors to get into this one. Two little pull tabs on either side. And we are in. Let's slide this top cover off and have a look at this product. Very, very excited to check this out. And there it is, the Ring Spotlight Cam. It looks really well designed. Ooh, I like the look of this. Very, very nice. Very cool. So if we take a look round on the back, this is obviously where the mounting bracket's going to go. We've got some sort of ball joint here. We've got a little tiny button which releases the battery compartment. So let's push this button and have a look inside. Oh, right. So we've actually got a compartment there for up to 2 batteries. So that's interesting. I wonder if you get 2 batteries inside the box. And then of course round the front here we've got the camera, we've got what looks like the spotlights either side perhaps, and this is probably the motion detector on the bottom. It's a really nice design. I like that a lot. It feels very, very well made. Let's pop that to one side and see what else we get to make our installation process nice and easy. Okay, so we get some stickers in here in a couple of different languages. There are sort of country specific laws when you're recording the outside of your property. You do in some countries have to display that you're actually recording, or there's some sort of video surveillance taking place. So nice that they include those. We've also got a say hello to Ring pack. We'll take a closer look at that in a short while. We get the mount, so this is going to receive that ball joint on the back, so this is going to mount to the wall. We also get a USB cable. It's USB to micro USB. I assume that is for charging the battery. And then, as with the solar panel, attention to detail is superb. We get a drill bit to help us with mounting the camera. We also get, I'm assuming the other one was double-sided as well, but we get a screwdriver, so we can use the Phillips head or cross head, and then we can turn it round and actually use the Torx head as well. So really nice that we get that included inside the box. We get, these look like some sort of security screws, and then we get some mounting screws in here as well. And then we do also get a battery. Now Ring did also send me a second battery, so I assume that the second battery is indeed for the spotlight cam. Really nice. These have got sort of push release tabs on them to quickly release them from the product. So they got some LEDs for feedback when you're charging them. This is the LED key, so you can see when it's fully charged. And then of course you've got the contacts, which are going to make contact with the camera when you put it into that camera hole. And also we got the micro USB connector there for charging said battery. I assume you charge these up before you install it, so they're fully charged when they go into the camera, and then you use the solar panel to actually keep these topped up. And then we've got the little welcome pack, and this just guides you through how to get up and running nice and quickly in 3 simple steps. And then we get some details about the camera itself and a more detailed installation instruction and some extra information here. So everything we need to get up and running. This looks really cool. I can't wait to actually test this out and bring you my full review. This is the Ring Spotlight Cam. Please do check out the links down in the video description to the Ring website and where you can buy this for yourself. And please also keep an eye on that video description area for the link to the full review. If you enjoyed the video, please do hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very soon.